So it's summertime, and I'm going to do a series of 3 different salads for summertime on 3 different videos. So the first one we're going to do is a spinach, shrimp, and tortellini salad. You can serve this warm or you can serve this cold, but I prefer it cold. So what we're going to do is chop up some cherry tomatoes and a cup of spinach. Okay, so we've got a rough chop, we'll get that about going. A cup to a cup and a half of rough chop, and I'm just using the baby organic. And for the tortellini, I'm using the Barilla cheese, 3 cheese, no preservatives. You can buy it at Walmart. And we're just going to boil this for 10 minutes, drain it, and I'm going to cold chill it with cold water to get it to stop cooking after 10 minutes and let it cool way down so that we can put it in our salad. I'm going to add the cherry tomatoes to this, and now we're going to get our shrimp ready. And the next ingredients after the shrimp is shredded mozzarella cheese. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to add our shrimp. Just a second. And this is just a small bag of the small shrimp. I think the count is 60 to 80 shrimp, which I always say they lie. I've never counted them, but I'm pretty sure they lie about that. So the next thing we're going to do is add 3/4 of a cup of Italian dressing, and I'm using a creamy Italian. Okay, so either one, if you want to use the oil-based, this is an Italian salad, and it'll be yummy either way. So we're going to pour the dressing over the dish or the salad. I don't know what happened to my tripod, so I'm trying to do this one-handed. So let me get it mixed up and we'll be back. Okay, and our last ingredient is a cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. And this is just organic mozzarella cheese I've shredded. And you're just going to add that, and then you'll mix it up. There is our shrimp and spinach tortellini salad. And I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I hope you'll join me next time for another recipe. I've got a couple of salad ones going to be right behind these on videos, so if you're interested in summer salads, I'm absolutely positive you will love this salad. And you can serve this with, I use a Tuscany cracker, the olive oil and rosemary, or you could use garlic bread with this. It's a great salad to keep in the refrigerator. You can eat on it all week long. So anyway, we'll see you on the next video.